All right, everybody, we've got a lot of stuff to talk about tonight. Let's start you out with temperatures. Even when you don't factor the wind in, it's a little biting. I mean, we're in the teens in the Champlain Valley, some single digits out there. We're seeing that in Saranac Lake, some of the hinterland up in, say, Essex County in the Northeast Kingdom. It is going to be cold in those two locations. You come on down to the south, a little bit warmer, even a little bit later today. So wind chills already on the rough side. We're below zero the way it feels. Lyndonville, also in Messina, Saranac Lake, if not below zero. It is feeling cold enough, I'd have to say. I'm going to give you some weather headlines here as we look ahead. We've got a wind chill advisory in effect for tonight into the beginning of tomorrow. We'll let you know who is in that advisory area in just a minute. We've got a winter weather advisory. That goes in effect tomorrow, and that's going to be the case through Wednesday morning. And it looks like we've got a nor'easter on the way for Saturday. It's early. We'll get back to that for you in just a minute, too. All right, wind chill advisory. It goes until 9 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. It kicks in overnight tonight, and here's why. In the areas you're looking at, this is where it's going to be the coldest. Parts of the Adirondacks, little bit of the St. Lawrence Valley, also extreme Northeast Kingdom into northern New Hampshire and also into Maine. So we're talking about single-digit temperatures at best. Some of us a little bit colder than that, so wind chills to 25 below. The winds are going to be more or less from the west, kind of a west-northwest thing, gusts to 30 miles an hour. That's why it's going to feel so cold out there. All right, then during the day tomorrow into Wednesday morning, we've got a winter weather advisory for the highlighted areas right here. Tell you what's going to happen. We've got a perfect setup for upslope snow, which means we're going to have pretty brisk northwesterly wind, runs into the mountains, western facing slopes, looking at some decent snow. That air gets pushed up and the snow is going to come out. Generally speaking, 3 to 6 inches in those areas. I'm thinking a little bit more for some, say right around Jay Peak. I know Jay does so well when the wind direction is the way it's going to be this time around. This is First Alert Storm Tracker. Not seeing much going on right now. Certainly some lake effect snow, really all of the Great Lakes. And what's going to happen here is we've got this upper level low that's just going to crank. I mean, we've got a very tight pressure gradient, and because of that, the wind picks up. It feels rough, and that's going to produce some snow showers, even in the Champlain Valley, 1 to 3 inches, but I think we'll find more than that in the Adirondacks and certainly in the Green Mountains. All right, I just want to give you an idea of what to expect for this weekend. It is very early, nothing in stone yet, but I will say this, so often when it's this far away from a storm that we're talking about or a potential storm, the forecast models are all over the place. Well, this one says it's going to be out to sea, this one says it's going to be close to the shoreline. Right now, a lot of them are very kind of in line with the thinking here, which means I think something is going to happen here. Low pressure expected Saturday morning. So what we're watching, well, we're going to watch this nor'easter, and the potential is there for significant snow. Usually with a setup like this, the biggest snows are south and east of the Champlain Valley. But if this thing comes inland more, then we could get bombed in the valley as well. Just looking around right now, it looks like a 5-inch kind of thing in the Champlain Valley. I guarantee you that's going to change, though. So we're going to watch the storms, track very carefully. That will make all the difference in the world. Timeline on that is going to be Saturday night into the beginning of Sunday. This is Futurecast, 7 o'clock tonight. It's all about the wind. It's all about how it's going to feel. And then tomorrow, I think the commute for most of us in the morning, okay. In the northern mountains, maybe a little touch and go. I think more squirrely by the afternoon, even in the Champlain Valley. Better chance for some snow flakes coming down then. And then we've got the snow in the Adirondacks and also down the spine of the Green Mountains in the Northeast Kingdom. Day after that, on Wednesday, is looking pretty good. The wind not as strong, and we'll see some sunshine. Scattered snow showers, much colder tonight, 6 for a low. We'll feel a lot colder than that because it's going to be windy. Here are your highs tomorrow, but again, it's going to feel a lot colder than that. How much snow are we thinking? Through tomorrow, 1 to 3 in the northern Champlain Valley, parts of the Adirondacks, 3 to 6. Highest of elevations, I think near Jay Peak, closer to 6 inches, if not more. 17 for a high tomorrow to 11 tomorrow night, 22 to 21 to 22. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All days looking pretty good, not windy like tomorrow. Saturday, we've got that potential for snow because of the nor'easter. It's just too early to put our finger on exactly how much we're thinking. Snow in the morning Sunday pulls out with that storm. Chance for snow showers Monday at a high of 28.